Hi Hot Sauce Festival fans, my name is Emily Beyda and I'm here to show you my favorite post-hot sauce rescue remedy. So you're going to start off with some fresh mint. Just crush it in your hands to release the oil and put it in a jar. And on top of that you're going to squeeze, for each serving, a quarter of a lime, a quarter of a lemon, and a little bit of honey. About half a teaspoon. And you're going to top that off with just a tiny little splash of rose water. Put an ice cube in there, close your jar, shake it down, and top it off with some sparkling water, or gin, or both. And that's it.